This is the iPhone 11. It's safe to say it's an update to the wildly popular iPhone XR. From the outside, it looks almost exactly the same. You've got a 6.1-inch liquid retina LCD display. Yep, it's still an LCD. It's covered in a stronger glass this year, though. On the back, the big change, 2 cameras. You've got the 12-megapixel wide-angle f1.8 lens, and then a new f2.4 ultra-wide-angle that lets you see a lot more of the frame. Apple's calling them 1x and 0.5x. Those cameras are now covered in a new camera bump that's integrated into this glass. So you've got the stronger glass here, and then kind of a matte finish camera bump, which is really interesting to look at. You kind of have to see it in person, but it looks really cool. So you can see the new software interface for the camera in iOS 13 lets you see the wide angle while you're shooting with the regular camera, and you can push out, you can zoom out, you can see way more of the frame, you can push in, and then obviously you've got the zoom slider here that lets you go all the way from the wide all the way to 5x digital zoom. A lot of people ask me on Twitter where the live photo icon moved. You see this crying here. Live photos are still right here. You can turn them on and off. This little arrow brings up your options over here. So you got filters, the timer, the framing, you got the live photo button there, and the flash. So that's all been hidden away, so you get to see more of what's going on down here. Of course, there's still the flash button, and you can flip the camera around. Get the new selfie camera, which shoots in 4K 60 and has a slow-mo video. I asked my friend Joanna Stern to help me shoot a slow-mo selfie. Let's check it out. The iPhone 13 has Apple's A13 Bionic processor, which is up to 20% faster than the A12 Bionic and the iPhone XR. It also offers up to an hour longer battery life than the XR, which I think is what most people will be most excited about. And you can see it's playing this game from Apple Arcade just fine. Apple also announced Apple Arcade today. It's $4.99 a month for all the games you can play from Apple Arcade. Video's also been updated in iPhone 11. You can shoot 4K 60 from both lenses, both the regular and the ultra wide. You can also shoot 4K 60 from the front. It's got that slow-mo selfie mode. And check this out in the front camera. You're here, you turn it wide. You'll see it pushes out wide, so you get a wide angle selfie. There's Dieter. One Dieter out, you pull him in. There's Dieter again. There I am. There's Dieter. It's pretty good on the front camera. iPhone 11 starts at $699, goes on sale September 20th. It's available in 6 colors. Let me see if I can get them all. Black, white, red, purple, yellow, green. That's it. That's the iPhone 11. Ready? Go. Give me a hair flip.